Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable low latency mode on your JBL Tour One. First of all, select them from the JBL headphones application and then scroll down until you find Smart Audio and Video. Click on the switcher. Now just wait a little bit. Right now, go to the video mode. We have to also wait a few moments. And right now, when you click on this information icon, you will get this information that this video mode will improve the lip sync performance. So it's basically the low latency mode. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.